साईं राम।
तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, तेरा शुक्र करा। तुसा लगिया तोड़ निभाइया, तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा। तुसा लगिया तोड़ निभाइया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा, तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा। दरबार बुलाया, चरणा विच लाया, दो शान बुलाया, आपे अपनाया, हंकार मिटाया, धीरज उपजाया, दे के ना जताया, सानू पार लगाया। तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा, दिन रात बतेरा, पल पल मैं तेरा, जद होवे हनेरा, जद होवे सवेरा, सुख दुख सब तेरा, कुछ भी नहीं मेरा, कण कण विच तेरा, दिसदा है बसेरा। तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा,
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा।
कहंदे ने सवाली,
शुक्र करा,
रुतबा तेरा आली,
शुक्र करा,
दुनिया दा वाली,
शुक्र करा,
तेरी शान निराली,
शुक्र करा,
मोड़े ना खाली, करदा लजपाली, वंडे खुशहाली, डुबदी तू संभाली। तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा,
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा।
दुखियां दा सहारा,
शुक्र करा,
सुखियां नू भी प्यारा,
शुक्र करा,
जद जद दिल हारा,
शुक्र करा,
तैनू ही पुकारा,
शुक्र करा,
संसार सारा,
शुक्र करा,
दिल जान बेहारा,
शुक्र करा,
शिरडी दा नजारा,
शुक्र करा,
स्वर्गां तो भी प्यारा। तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा,
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया, मैं तेरा शुक्र करा।
संगतां दे कारज आप खलोया, संगतां दे कारज आप खलोया, हर कम करावण, हर कम करावण आया राम। संगतां दे कारज आप खलोया, संगतां दे कारज आप खलोया। सतगुर सुखदाई,
शुक्र करा,
कीर्ति सुनवाई,
शुक्र करा,
तुसा देर न लाई हर पीड़ मुकाई किस्मत चमकाई औकात बनाई इज्जत दी कमाई चोली विच पाई तेरा शुक्र करावे साइया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
हर आस अधूरी
शुक्र करा
कीती तू पूरी
शुक्र करा
श्रद्धा ते सबूरी देना है जरूरी रखदा नहीं दूरी कटदा मजबूरी हर वक्त हजूरी कीती मंजूरी तेरा शुक्र करावे साइया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
मंगया सो पाया लारा नहीं लाया बदियां तो बचाया नेकी वल लाया सम्मान वधाया रज रज के रजाया समझाना पराया हर वचन निभाया तेरा शुक्र करावे साइया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
चंगिया नू मिलाया
शुक्र करा
मेहनत दा खवाया विश्वास जगाया तन तन तेरी माया हर कम बनाया चुकना भी सिखाया अश्का दा सहारा नीवे फल पाया तेरा शुक्र करावे साइया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
सतगुरु प्यारा मेरे नाल है 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 तेरा शुक्र करावे साइया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
तेरा शुक्र करा मेरे साईया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा
हर रसना ते हर दिल विच वे हर सुख विच भी हर दुख विच भी चारे पासे हुंदे चर्चे कण कण विच भी तन मन विच भी मिल के बोलो अमृत घोलो सच दी सूरत रब दी मूरत चिंता तजिए हर दम जपिए पर दे गजदा दुखड़े
On behalf of all the team at Sai Seva UK, I would like to express a warm welcome to you all to this evening. We are honored to be joined tonight by the Deputy Mayor of Slough, Councillor Neil Rana, and his family, and also by Sunita Tai, the great-granddaughter of Baba's devotee by Jamai, and also Councillor Subhash Mahindra here. For those of you that have read Baba's Sri Sai Charitra, you will know that what an honor this is. Sunita ji has brought with her today as darshan a Sri Sai Charitra from 1947, blessed padukas from the Sai Samadhi Mandir in Shirdi, and Baba's picture made from Baba's real photo, which was gifted to her by Shirdi Mandir. We are honored to have you all here today. So thank you for gracing us with your presence for this auspicious day. Today we are also celebrating our annual Children's Maharti event in which we seek blessings for our community's children ahead of their upcoming academic year. This celebration we have been doing from last 4 years.
Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha.
Om Sai Ram to our devotees over here in UK. It's my pleasure to be here today in front of all of you. And I can see this picture of silence in the hall. So, am I audible now? Yes. Yeah, okay, thank you. So this is my fourth visit to UK. But today's program especially is for children. I was told that today children are our chief guest, in fact, and they are going to do the palki. So I was very happy about this little seva, what you all are doing, but it's going to give you very, very big blessings from Baba. So children are a future generation, and as Sai Seva UK believes uplifting younger generation. So I'm happy that this kind of work is happening here through Sai Seva UK, and Baba is the main thread for connecting you all. Before all my programs in UK, I've been addressing to all the older generation, and I used to see, especially there was a room for children, where children were supposed to sit in one room and do art and craft activities, so that there is no disturbance in the program. But today, I'm so happy that all the children are sitting in front row, not doing art and craft activity, because the program is for them. So it's very important that you should have a sense of belonging, and that belonging really takes you all the way. Yes, of course, with the children, there are older, younger generation. Of course, they are the roots of the family, and I believe that whatever you sow, you reap, and the sanskars, what parents give to our children, it takes them long way. And especially in today's era, when the communication is so fast, children, they pick up things from internet, which is one way good, but other way I would say, like, the moral values are very important, and it starts from your house. let me take everybody through a bioscope. How many of you know what is a bioscope? So, you know, yeah, you also know, yeah, older generation, yes. So those days, you know, we never used to have everything at our fingertip. Just to see one visual or one movie, which was like once a year chance, when there used to be some, you know, fairs, which we call mela in Hindi, and there this guy used to come with a X stand and a bioscope, which was made with a tin, and there was like, I think, 4 to 6, you know, lenses, and inside that he used to have some films. So he used to ask, like, what do you want to see? I mean, there was no much options. Like here, if you press one thing, you will get millions of options. So we had very limited options. So like if I will say, okay, I want to see, you know, a movie on cat, then he'll search. And then that's how, like, you know, he used to tell us, like, just glue to the lens eye of that bioscope and you will see. So to see that small film as an entertainment was so valuable for us that we used to literally wait for a year. So giving this example, I want to say that these are the small happiness in life, I would say small achievements in life, which takes you, you know, ahead in a way that it always teaches you that you have to be happy with whatever minimum you have in life. So that is one take I would really want the children, that whatever your parents have given you, just treasure it, just preserve it. So now, as my introduction is given already, I would just like to, you know, tell that Baizama was my great-great-grandmother. That means she was my grandmother's grandmother. Now, during Baba's time, I mean, there are so many things, but today, especially because the audience is children, I would like to tell about the school life during Baba's time. So, when Baba came to Shirdi, there were no schools. So how the children used to get education? Mother was their first teacher. So whatever mothers have taught to the children, basically that was their education. And their education was the way of life. It was not about any subjects. These are the life subjects which parents have taught to their children. And those values have made them what they are. So similarly, Baizama taught Tataji, her son, the values of bhakti, seva towards Baba, dedication, discipline in everyday's day-to-day life. Not to forget that when you are doing seva to Baba, you have to do your day-to-day goals in the farm. During those times, agriculture was the main work for everybody. So Shirdi being a village of just 100 houses, guarded by a boundary, and those days it was, the feudal system was of Maratha Empire, and it was known as the Rayatwari system, where the villages were formed with few people, and they were the judicial people of the village. So in those days there was no school. The first school started in 1881, 26 January 1881 in Shirdi, and there were only 11 students. And the first student of Shirdi school was Tata Kote Patil, whose photo is over here. And at the age of 15, he was in second class. So can you imagine that? So that kind of system was there because what? So system was there in our country those days. I would say only 3% of people were educated, and we were in a pretty bad shape that time. But yes, education system being an important part, which was realized to have a formal education system, the school was started in Shirdi. And the first school with 11 students was started in Chavdi Mandir, Chavdi. So if you all have gone to Shirdi, everybody knows Chavdi, where the Palki procession ends. So that was the judicial court those days, and in that place only these students used to study. Now, going to school, what was the routine those days? It was like you just, no uniform, no tiffin boxes, no water bottles, nothing. You just go to school and take a slate. I don't know whether you all know what is a slate, like a small blackboard. Maybe your parents can tell you, or you can Google today and please answer your parents, what is a slate. So during those days, the slate was there, and every child had a duty to clean their own slate every day, that too with charcoal and water. So every day before going to school, they used to clean their slate with charcoal and water, make it look nice and black, and then they used to carry the chalk with them. So this was their only two things they were supposed to carry. And what were the subjects? The subjects were initially for children, for the small children, there was like only Marathi and maths, but that too in Marathi. English was not there at all. In fact, the first English school in Shirdi came in 1852. So it was really, post-independence, we had the first English school. So during Baba's time, only Ganit used to call, that is a maths in Marathi language. And there was one subject where they had to do the hand spinning. So that time, the Khadi movement was a big thing, and every child had to know how to weave their own cloth. So basically, every school, this curriculum was compulsory, that children should know how to weave. So they used to have these special classes. There was nobody to help them. They had to clean their own classroom, that too with a cow dung and water. They had to clean the floor of the classroom. There were no benches. Like how today you are sitting, the similar way they used to sit down and do their studies. And the headmaster was that time Shama, Madhav Ravdesh Pandey. He was the headmaster of the school. And whatever he used to write on the board, the children had to copy that on their slate and by heart it. And next day their homework was asked verbally. So this kind of daily activities, there were no attendance, nobody was compelled to go to the school. Afternoon by afternoon everybody used to go home, because the children used to also help their parents in the farm. So they used to go to the farm with their parents, help them sowing the seeds, cutting the crops, all these things. So basically the education was about how you are going to survive in your day-to-day activities. The main education was around agriculture, because that was the only source of income those days. And there were only 4-5 families whose children were there in the school, and later then the school moved to Shyam Sundar Hall from Chavdi. So Baba used to often see from Dwarka Mai, where children used to sit in the class, and he used to see them what they are doing. And whenever they used to recite tables and all, Baba used to sit and listen to them. And then before leaving for the school, they used to go and meet Baba. And obviously they would expect some, sweets from Baba. So that time, there were no chocolates, there were no biscuits, there was no pastry, there was no cake, nothing. The sweet what we used to get those time was godi shev and murmure. So these were the small happiness which was there, and children loved all that, and this is the way the whole system was there in the Shirdi. And later the school started, and slowly the education system came. So today I would just like to conclude my talk that please listen to your parents, whatever they are your first teacher, and especially your grandparents, because what they have the treasure that nobody on the internet can give you. So please respect them. Om Saranam.
श्री सरकार सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
बां फड़ लैंदा अंग संग रैंदा
Om Sai Ram. I think you can do better. Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram.
That's better. Thank you very much, Sai Seva UK, for inviting me to this function this evening. Me and my family. It's my great pleasure and honor to be over here to see Baba's blessings. It is indeed wonderful to witness the Baba's Palki being undertaken by children, and to hear lovely stories from Sunita Tai from Shirdi. Sunita Tai, it's my honor to meet you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I am really very impressed of Sai Seva UK, the way they get our community's children on, in order to, even by volunteering or through these such initiatives like this today, and to seek the blessings of the divine, in order to guide the children for their future and for their upcoming academic year. Sunita Tai, your background is from Indian Army yourself. Your dad was in Indian Army. My parents were in Indian Army as well. So it's a very commonality over here. So you talked about you used to go to your school in Shirdi with Takhti and Slaty, and my first school was with Takhti, Slaty, Gajni and Dawat. So that was our homework that was given to us, and that homework has to be written on the Takhti itself. And those were the things that we used to carry in our school bag. So those memories are still very fresh over here. Ladies and gentlemen, Sai Seva UK has done a tremendous job for the community here in Islam, and I commend all of them for that. In particularly, Harpreet, Anjali ji, Shridhar Mehra. So every volunteer of Sai Seva UK has done a tremendous job. I have known Sai Seva UK for the last, I think, couple of years. And also, when we had our function, all communities function this March, on 21st of March, and there where Sai Seva UK contributed immensely. So thank you very much for that sort of seva. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I wish you every success in your future endeavors, and I hope to come to these functions and seek Baba's blessings time and again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Deputy Mayor Rana, for your words
instrument for us and for the children.
Thank you very much. Very good. I'm really impressed the way you are really engaging with the children. I'm really proud that my children are getting good values with you. And can I ask the children, do you know what Sai Seva means? Children, what does it mean? Any child?
So it's basically the organization and you help with it. So yeah,
And then what else?
it's like, so, yeah, it means help.
It's more like it's called selfless.
Yeah.
You don't need to have any desire of your own.
Yeah,
Because work as a community.
yeah.
That's what success is. And I'm sure what we just given us a good values of the children. These are future children. We're going to take this forward. And I'm sure we'll be all proud of you. Thank you very much. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Councillor Danger. Sai Seva UK are passionate about providing a platform to support new businesses in the community. You can speak to one of the team today for more details. Today's event would not have been possible without the support of our sponsors. Thank you to Rapstar and the Indian Cart for sponsoring the pasta for our children today and also the khichdi for Prashadam. Thank you to Lokesh Brahmana and Shilakshmi for donating the samosas for Prashadam. Thank you to Pyramid Learning Tutors for donating the chocolates for our children this evening. Thank you to Asda for donating some treats for our children today. Thank you to Capsons for donating juices for our children and water. Thank you to Sai Gobi Delights for sponsoring Sunitha Ji's stay this evening. Thank you to Unchilled Restaurant and Bar for your donation. Thank you to Decorative Concepts for donating all of the disposables this evening. Thank you to Savita Auntie and the GCSE student parents organised by Sadishna for donating the fruits today. Thank you to Rani Ji for taking the photographs today. Thank you to all of our volunteers and young volunteers for your ongoing support, and thank you to each and every one of you for joining us this evening and for your continued support towards our goal of opening a cultural hub and community centre one day soon in the local area. As you can see from our board over here, we are still a long way off from meeting our target of £300,000. If you're able to support us further by setting up a standing order, gift aiding your donation, or if you'd like to join our WhatsApp group, please speak to any one of the volunteers this evening.
अनमोल रतन सजना दा सजन हरदम रक्षक करुणादायक जग तो न्यारा रब तो प्यारा खुशियां दा स्वर हर स्वर अंदर भक्ति देंदा शक्ति देंदा मस्ती देंदा मुक्ति देंदा चुकिया दा वी गिगिया दा वी दुखिया दा वी सुखिया दा वी सबनू वेखे रखदा लेके दुख दर्द हरे इंसाफ करे नित ध्यान करो गुणगान करो एहसास करो कुछ खास करो तेरा शुक्र करा वे साईया मैं तेरा शुक्र करा